So a very good morning to all the students to be present there. So once again, I will welcome you all the students in your fourth semester. Now in fourth semester, I am teaching you subject that is called as control system. So first of all, we see that what do you mean by this control system? What are the various components of this control system and how this control system can operate? Okay. So I think all of you have your syllabus with you, people. I had shared you the course curriculum of all the subjects of the fourth semester in your WhatsApp group. So in that you can see that we have a fourth semester in fourth semester in which we have a subject that is called as the control system. Okay, now I will share my screen. So is my screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
fine, Vita, fine. So if I talk about your control system syllabus, so this is your syllabus of your control system. Now you can see that in control system, basically there are six modules, or you can say that the 6 units. So in every module, there are different type of topics to be there. For example, if you see introduction to the linear control system, this is your module number 1, in which you have to cover the control system, the types of control system, feedback and its effect, mathematical modeling of a physical system. So the duration for completion of this module 1 is about 6 hours. That means you have to take around 6 to 8 lectures to cover this module number 1. If I quickly come to the module number 2, in a module number 2, you have a system representation. Now in this system representation, we have a block diagram, representation of control system, transfer function, signal flow graph, time domain analysis, and first order equation, second order equation, types of the signal to be available, and all that. And after that we are talking about the module number 3. And in module number 3, these are basically called as the control components, and in the control components you have AC and DC servo motor, AC tachometer, synchronous transmitter, synchronous receiver, AC DC position control system, and many more. So the duration for completion of this unit number 3 or a module number 3 is basically the 6 hours. Now, if I talk about your section B, in section B, you have a module number 4, or section B, first unit, that is called as the frequency domain analysis of a control system. Here you can see that how a system can be stable, unstable, marginal stable. So for finding the stability of the system, we have generally many criteria, like we have Routh-Horvitz criteria, root-locus method, Bode plot, Nyquist plot, polar plot. So we will discuss each and every aspect of the stability of the system under this module. After that, you have a module number 5, that is called as design of feedback control system. Here you can see there are different types of controllers available in our control system. Like we have PD controller, potential derivative controller, we have PI controller, potential integral controller, and you have potential integral derivative controller, that is called as the PID controller. So you discussed each and everything about these types of PID controllers. Okay, and the last unit, that is a module number 6, you have a state space representation, in which you are different type of control system is to be there. The earlier we were discussed about the linear control system, and if you go to your module number 6, that is a state space analysis and a non-linear system, in that case you are discussed about, that is what do you mean by this non-linear system. So overall, if I say that in this subject, you are basically discussed about the control system. So control system, we have a linear control system, we have a non-linear type of control system. So you have to discuss both the types of the system, that is a linear control system as well as the non-linear control system. Now in my coming lectures, or after some time, I will discuss with you people that what is the difference between a linear control system as well as the non-linear control system. Okay, fine. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See that whatever I have discussed with you people regarding your syllabus, so you have something like called as control system. Okay, Now I had already tell you that you had discussed about linear control system, you had discussed about non-linear control system. So first of all, before discussing what do you mean by this linear control system and what do you mean by this non-linear control system, you should be known or you should be aware that what do you mean by this control system. So anybody who's present in the class, he or she can tell me or give you just an idea that what do you mean by this control system. Anybody, whatever you have thinking about that thing, जितना भी आप कुछ भी बता सकते हैं, जैसे कि वर्ड डिफाइन कर रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ कंट्रोल सिस्टम. सो एनीबडी हु विल टेल अबाउट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस कंट्रोल सिस्टम. या प्लीज.
यस सर, जो किसी चीज को कंट्रोल करेगा, लाइक एज
कैन यू गिव मी एग्जांपल, कैन यू गिव मी एग्जांपल.
yes sir, switchboard.
Switchboard, how it is switchboard will be, you can say that it is a control system.
and जब पावर आ जाता है ना सर, फिर हम स्विच को बंद करते हैं, फिर वो कंट्रोल करता है वो पावर सप्लाई.
Okay, so I will tell you one thing, you just get an idea. So just a minute, I will again share my screen. Now let us take an example. What do you mean by this control system? Okay, you can just get an idea that what do you mean by this control system. So if I talk about linear system as well as non-linear system, these are separate. So first of all, if I say about control system, so you must understand that what do you mean by this control system. पहली चीज तो आपकी ये आती है कि हमने जो पूरा एक सेमेस्टर में ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम पढ़ना है, तो ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम, इज माय स्क्रीन इज विजिबल टू ऑल ऑफ यू ना?
yes sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. So क्वेश्चन इज कि आपने पूरा सेमेस्टर कंट्रोल सिस्टम के बारे में पढ़ना है. सो इस कंट्रोल सिस्टम में मैंने अभी आपसे बात की, वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट लीनियर कंट्रोल सिस्टम, यू हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट नॉन लीनियर कंट्रोल सिस्टम. सो पहली चीज आप लोगों को ये चीज पता होनी चाहिए कि ये आपका कंट्रोल सिस्टम है क्या. ओके, सो वन थिंग दैट यू कैन से दैट before discussing control system, first of all you have to discuss about what do you mean by this system, कि आपका सिस्टम क्या है. सो मेनली व्हाट यू सी कि जब मैं किसी भी सिस्टम की बात करूंगा तो आपको पहले ये आइडिया होना चाहिए कि ये सिस्टम है क्या. ओके, सो फॉर दैट सिस्टम आपको इसकी एक ब्लॉक डायग्राम याद रखनी है, और वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम है. दैट इफ इन ए ब्लॉक इट इज सीन दैट यहां पर आपका एक सिस्टम रहता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इस ब्लॉक में आपका एक सिस्टम है, कोई भी सिस्टम, वो आपका जैसे भी अख्तर मुझे बता रहा था लाइक स्विच बोर्ड एंड ऑल दैट, वो एक आपका सिस्टम है. ओके, नाउ इस सिस्टम में एक सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो अकर करती है वो है इसके लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे एक सिग्नल होगा और इसके राइट हैंड साइड पे एक और सिग्नल होगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन इज ये सिग्नल्स क्या हैं. See, on a block diagram it will be seen that you have one system. In that system it is between a certain, you can say that a system, and after that in left hand side you see just a minute. This is the block diagram of a system. Now here on left hand side there is one signal present there, and on another right hand side there is another signal present there. Now you see yeah, problem is, so just a minute, I think there is some problem occur. Just a minute. So I will talk आपके पास जो कंट्रोल सिस्टम होता है तो सबसे पहले you have to discuss about the system. तो सिस्टम क्या है. Now in this system what will happen, you have one type of any of the system available in this block, and here what do you have, this is called as an output, and from left hand side there is a called as an input. So in left hand side, you have an input to be there. That input will be goes to any of the system. That system is processed that input, and after that you have got an output. कोई भी सिस्टम जो आपके माइंड में आ रहा है, वो सिस्टम इन तीन मेन चीजों से बना होता है। और ये तीन मेन चीजें क्या है कि आपके पास यू हैव एन इनपुट, आपके पास एक इनपुट होना चाहिए, वो इनपुट एक किसी भी प्रोसेस में जाना चाहिए, एंड आफ्टर गेट इट प्रोसेसिंग उसका एक आउटपुट आना चाहिए। दैट सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज योर टोटल सिस्टम। ओके, नाउ इन अवर टेक्निकल टर्म्स, इफ आई से in technical terms, if I talk about your input system, so your input here we will denote it by, it will be equal to R of t. Okay, so in electrical, always and always the input will be denoted by R of t. Now here this R stands for input and this t stands for, it is a time domain. That input is ultimately dependent upon time. Okay, after that, if you say about your output, so your output is basically equal to C of t. Fine. So again the question is, what do you mean by this C of t? Input in control system is always denoted by R of t, where R is called as the input signal and the t is basically the time domain signal. That your input signal is ultimately dependent upon your time, whereas your output will be equal to C of t. That means if you talk about this input, now here in control system, your input is basically equal to R of t. Fine. And your output is basically equal to C of t. Fine बेटा. So जब भी हम अपने सिस्टम में एक इनपुट देंगे, वो इनपुट हमेशा R of t का होगा। वो इनपुट आपके एक सिस्टम में जाएगा, वो सिस्टम उस इनपुट को प्रोसेस्ड करेगा, प्रोग्राम्ड करेगा, व्हाटएवर द लाइक, व्हाटएवर द आउटपुट रिक्वायर्ड, वो उसको उसके अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोसेस्ड करेगा, एंड प्रोसेस करने के बाद वो आपको एक आउटपुट देगा, और वो जो आउटपुट होगी दैट इज कॉल्ड एज C of t. ओके, सो यहां पर सबसे पहले ये चीज डिस्कस करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि एक सिस्टम क्या है। सिस्टम, वो सिस्टम फिर आगे जाके कंट्रोल सिस्टम बनेगा, वो सिस्टम आगे जाके फिर अनकंट्रोल सिस्टम बनेगा, दैट इज अ सेपरेट इशू। नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू मस्ट बी अंडरस्टैंड दैट व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय दिस अ सिस्टम। सो now you people can understand that a system is having the three main components to be there. One is called as input signal, another is called as output signal, and third is called as within a wall, within a boundary where this system has to be processed. Okay, so here I can write down, if you talk about your system, when you if you talk about your system, so your system, just a minute. So if you talk about your system is basically having the three main components to be present. It comprises of three components, जिसमें आपका नंबर वन क्या रहेगा, that is your input, नंबर टू रहेगा आपका output, and number थ्री रहेगा between the walls of the boundary, that is wall of the boundary where you have to process this system. Okay, so there are three main important components of the system. One is called as input, another is called as output, and third is called as wall of the boundary. So input is always and always denoted by R of t, output is always denoted by C of t, and in between input and output, this signal, this system has to be processed, this signal, this system has to be diagnosed, and that is called as a system wall of the boundary. Okay, now if I talk about अभी की अगर मैं बात करता हूं आप लोगों के साथ, इस टाइम पर मैं एक इनपुट हूं जो आप लोगों को 4th सेमेस्टर कंट्रोल पढ़ा रहा हूं. ओके, आप लोग एक आउटपुट हैं जो मेरे से ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम पढ़ रहे हैं, एंड इन बिटवीन यू पीपल एंड मी पीपल, आप लोगों के बीच में और मेरे बीच में एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक इंटरनेट है, एक जूम का प्लेटफॉर्म है, जिसके थ्रू ये सारा सिग्नल प्रोसेस हो रहा है। मानते हो इस चीज को? लाइक मैं यहां से कुछ बोल रहा हूं, मैं यहां से कुछ टाइप कर रहा हूं, आप लोग मेरी स्क्रीन को शेयर देख रहे हैं, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन को यहां से शेयर कर रहा हूं, आप लोग अब मेरी स्क्रीन यहां उस साइड से देख रहे हैं। ये शेयरिंग यहां से करना, और आप लोग मेरे से क्वाइट फार अवे है, वहां आप मेरी स्क्रीन को देख रहे हैं, जो भी मैं कुछ बोल रहा हूं, जो भी मैं कुछ लिख रहा हूं, आप लोग उस अपने एंड पे बैठ के उसको सुन भी रहे हैं, आप अपने एंड पे बैठ के उसको देख भी रहे हैं। तो ये कैसे पॉसिबल है? ये पॉसिबल है बिटवीन द वॉल ऑफ द बाउंड्री, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सिस्टम, जहां पर मैं अपनी इनपुट दे रहा हूं, अकॉर्डिंगली वो इनपुट प्रोसेस्ड हो रही है, डायग्नोज हो रही है, और आप तक वो इनपुट बन रही है। सो मेरी इनपुट आप तक जब पहुंच रही है तो वो क्या बन रही है? मेरे लिए आपकी वो आउटपुट बन रही है। ओके, नाउ ये सिस्टम कंट्रोल है या ये सिस्टम अनकंट्रोल है, ये डिपेंड करेगा हम बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स पे। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं यहां से कुछ बोल रहा हूं, यहां से अगर मैं कुछ टाइप कर रहा हूं, आपके एंड तक ना आप उसको सुन पा रहे हैं, ना आप उसको देख पा रहे हैं, दैट मींस दैट सिस्टम इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज योर अनकंट्रोल्ड सिस्टम, इजंट इट? अगर लेकिन जो मैं यहां से बोल रहा हूं, जो मैं यहां से इनपुट दे रहा हूं, वो इनपुट अकॉर्डिंगली प्रोसेस्ड हो रही है, वो इनपुट अकॉर्डिंगली डायग्नोज्ड हो रही है, और प्रोसेस्ड होने के बाद, डायग्नोज होने के बाद वो इनपुट आप तक सही पहुंच रही है, देन दैट सिस्टम इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज योर कंट्रोल सिस्टम। बट अगर जो इनपुट मैं यहां से दे रहा हूं, वो इनपुट आप लोगों तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही है, देन दैट सिस्टम इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज योर अनकंट्रोल्ड सिस्टम। Anybody having any doubt? What do you mean by this control system and what do you mean by this uncontrolled system? So only and only one thing is that thing. If you required a desired output at the outputlet, then it is called as control system. And if you not required any desired output at the outer end, then it is called as your uncontrolled system. Okay. Anybody having any doubt? What do you mean by this control system and what do you mean by uncontrolled system?
No, sir.
Okay, so you must be remember that in control system, if I talk about linear control system or if I talk about non-linear control system, always and always you have a one system, and in that system you have an input signal. That input signal is always and always denoted by your R of t, your output system. That output system is always denoted by C of t. And if you get a desired output at the output level, then it is called as control system. And if you not get a desired output as an outer end, then it is called as the uncontrolled system. Okay, so you have a number of examples. आप जहां भी बैठे हैं, मैंने अभी आपको एक एग्जांपल दी, इस ऑनलाइन मोड में मैं आप लोगों को पढ़ा रहा हूं या बाकी टीचर्स आपको पढ़ा रहे हैं, दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्रोल सिस्टम वेयर व्हाट यू हैव टू डिस्कस। आप लोग यहाँ पर एक इनपुट है, एक इंटरनेट एक सोर्स है, एक आप लोगों का जूम एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, जहां पर आपका इनपुट सिग्नल प्रोसेस्ड हो रहा है, डायग्नोज्ड हो रहा है, और अकॉर्डिंगली आपको आउटपुट मिल रही है। सो दिस इज द वन ऑफ द टाइप ऑफ द एग्जांपल। और अगर आपको डिजायर्ड आउटपुट ना मिले, देन दैट सिस्टम इज बेसिकली कॉल्ड एज योर अनकंट्रोल्ड सिस्टम। In another way, you can say that you have n number of systems to be available, n number of systems to be available. For example, if I talk about your washing machine, okay, now what do you mean by this washing machine? In washing machine, you have an input, you have an output, and you have a system. Okay, every system, koi bhi system jisko bhi aap understand karenge, every system there are three main important things. Number one will be, you can say that input, number two will be your output, and number three will be a wall of the boundary where you have to diagnose the system. So if I talk about the first example, that is a washing machine. So in case of a washing machine, you have an input, you have an output, you have a system. Now in case of a washing machine, what is an input? So in case of washing machine, there are so many inputs to be present there. Like in case of washing machine, your input will be dirty clothes that you have to be washed it out. In case of washing machine, your input is detergent or a soap. In case of a washing machine, you have a water, isn't it? So you can say that in case of a washing machine, basically there are three types of inputs available. One is your water, another is soap or a detergent, and number 3 is your dirty clothes that you have to be washed it out. Isn't it beta? होता है ऐसा नहीं होता है?
Yes.
And in the same washing machine, what is your output? Your output is basically a clean clothes. You are required a clean clothes. So you can distinguish that what is an input and what is an output in case of washing machine. So in case of a washing machine, you have an input like soap or detergent, your water, your dirty clothes, and then the output of the washing machine, you are having a washed clothes. And where these dirty clothes get washed, it will be washed within inside the washing machine. So this washing machine is basically act as a, you can say that, a system. Now what will happen? You put your dirty clothes, you put your water, you put your soap or a detergent in a machine, and after some time, it say it will be around 1 hour or a 30 minutes or a 2 hours, your dirty clothes will becomes as clean clothes, and you are getting a desired output. So this system is called as your control system. But on the another hand, if you say, but on the another hand, if you get output as a, again, dirty clothes, your clothes will be not get cleaned it up. So in that system, it is a system, it is a part of the system, because in that system you have an input, you have an output, you have a washing machine, but you are not get a good or you can say that the clean clothes. So that system is become as uncontrolled system. Isn't it, beta?
Yes, sir.
Now I will give you another example. Now another example is called as geyser. You all know we are basically using geyser in our homes to simply, you can say that, hot the water or getting the hot of the water. Okay.
Boil the water.
Okay. So what will happen in winters when there is an in winters when the outside temperature is very low, and the water temperature is also very low, and you require a hot water. So what will have to do? You are installed one geyser in your homes. So what will happen in case of a geyser? In a geyser, again, it is a system. So if it is a system, this system is comprises of 3 main components. One is called as input, another is called as the system, that is a wall of the boundary, and third is called as the output. So you can imagine, or you can think out it, in case of a geyser, what is an input? Input means a cold water, that a cold water will go inside the geyser tank. And in case of a geyser tank, all the heating process will be done, and your cool water is becomes hot. And what is an output? That output is, again, you can say that the hot water. So okay, so you can say that in this geyser, what is your input? Your input is your cold water, that is first input. Another input, your electricity. So when electricity act as an input, your cold water is act as an input. So electricity and the cold water get inside the chamber of the geyser, and due to this electricity, we are basically using a heating element. That heating element will be get supply from the electricity, and it starts working. And when it starts working, the temperature of the water gets increasing slightly. Okay, so what will happen at the output? You are getting the hot water. Okay, so again, you can say that it is an example of your system where you have an input is electricity or a cold water. You have a system that is a tank of the geyser, and you have an output. That output is called the hot water. So if you get a hot water at the outlet, if you get a hot water as the output, then that system is basically called as control system. But if you are not getting the hot water due to any of the reason, maybe your heating element is not working properly, maybe your electricity is not available, so any of the reason, if you not get a desired output at the outer end, so that system is basically called as your uncontrolled system, isn't it? सो कहीं भी सिस्टम में जब आपको जो रिक्वायरमेंट चाहिए, जो आपको रिक्वायरमेंट एज ए आउटपुट पे चाहिए, अगर वो आपको मिलती है, देन दैट सिस्टम इज कॉल्ड एज कंट्रोल सिस्टम. और अगर आपको रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंगली आउटपुट नहीं मिलती, then that system is called as your uncontrolled system. Okay, so you must be understand, I am again repeatedly, you must be understand that a system is basically comprises of 3 main components. One is input, another is output, and third is the wall of the boundary where a system has to be processed, where a system has to be diagnosed. So if you get a desired output, whatever you like as an output, then that system is basically called as your a control system. But if you not get your desired output, then that system is basically called as your uncontrolled system. Okay, now I think you have get an idea that what do you mean by this control system and what do you mean by this uncontrolled system. I will discuss with you people what is you mean by the linear control system and the non-linear control system. That is again separate thing. But first of all, you must be understand, आपने पूरे सेमेस्टर में ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम वर्ड पढ़ना है, तो आपको ये पहले चीज ये पता होनी चाहिए ये सिस्टम क्या है. तो अब आपको क्लियर हो गया सिस्टम में क्या है, तीन चीजें प्रेजेंट है. और ये कंट्रोल सिस्टम क्या है, जब आपको आउटपुट मनचाही मिले, डिजायर्ड मिले, then it is a control system. और अगर आपकी आउटपुट मन चाहिए डिजायर्ड ना मिले, then it is a called as uncontrolled system. क्लियर है बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in next class we will discuss its further process. इसका आगे हम पढ़ेंगे कैसे कैसे कंट्रोल सिस्टम जो होता है वो हमारा लीनियर क्या होता है, नॉन लीनियर क्या होता है, फिर इसकी ब्लॉक डायग्राम एंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वी विल डिस्कस इन आवर next classes. Okay, so this is all about for today's lecture. Okay, fine beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now one thing that I will tell you, all the students to be there. बाकी स्टूडेंट बाकी टीचर्स का मुझे पता नहीं है कि वो अटेंडेंस किस तरीके से मार्क करते हैं या कैसे करते हैं. फॉर माय क्लास इज कंसर्न, आई हैड क्रिएटेड वन गूगल फॉर्म. मैंने आप लोगों के लिए गूगल फॉर्म क्रिएट किया हुआ है अटेंडेंस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. उस गूगल फॉर्म का जो लिंक है दैट आई विल शेयर इन द चैट बॉक्स ड्यूरिंग द क्लास. So no other mode of attendance will be counted as far as my class is concerned. After the class or in between the class or at the starting of the class, I will share the link of the Google form in the chat box. You all students go to the chat box, take this link and fill your attendance on the Google form. Automatically the attendance will be recorded to me. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
So now I am sharing the attendance link Google form in the chat box. I think you got it. ठीक है. So students are requested to please mark the attendance on the Google form that the link will be provided in the chat box. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. We will meet on tomorrow at our next lecture and discuss continuing the part of the control system. Okay बच्चे.